Yo, YouTube, I am the devil. I am watching you. My eyes are so fucking red. It's all because I'm allergic to fucking bat hair. So yeah, you better watch yourself. Be like the Origins Easter egg. From that point on, uh, they knew that Samantha would keep them safe, not Dr. Richtofen. But yeah, my eyes are just red. I'm the devil. I'm gonna send you for the rest of your life. My eyes are so fucking. See that? They're fucking red. Shit, it almost looks like that you guys are viewing the Easter egg from Origins, the cutscene. Oh my god, dude. I don't know if I can do this no more. I don't know if I can do this no more. Oh my god, I'm talking weird. What's up, guys? I'm just chilling here on YouTube. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna pop a Claritin, and I forgot in my video that we were gonna decide on what we were gonna rage next Thursday. I think we're gonna do either rap music, bullies, or people getting pissed off for no reason, or gay ads on TV, or why WWE went PG. So we got a lot. Or, better yet, since the Xbox and the PS4 is coming out, why don't we do PS4 versus Xbox One? We'll do that next week because of that. Stay tuned. Also, hopefully this Claritin will clear up my allergies shit. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to do PS4 and Xbox One, and we'll rage with the Xbox. We'll do that. Why the PS4 is better. I know the PlayStation is better. White boy says PlayStation Nation, man. So, PlayStation is awesome. So, that's what we're going to do next week. PS4 versus Xbox One. I'll get pros, or PS4, what I think about it, what I look forward into that. Xbox One, I'm not getting it because I don't like it. So that's what we're going to do next Thursday. Stay tuned on this channel. Also, we're going to use probably for the Xbox, we're going to use a weird voice. I'm not going to tell you what voice. That'll be a way for you to tune in. So tune in to my videos. Share, like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And happy Halloween, and see you guys on my next video. I got it. Finally. So, yeah. Pretty loud, huh? Well, peace out.